So this video I am making people can understand what is human. A lot of people, even though don't know, even though could not understand about human, and then they used to comment about the God. It means their basic fundamental is not clear, and then we are going to comment on the supreme power or reason of all reasons. I have given very small equation, look like mathematical equation. Let us suppose your name is, I am saying Ram or Rahim, whatever. So let us suppose your name is Ram. Live Ram, suppose somebody is alive and he is going to die. So what is difference between live Ram and dead Ram? So one thing you will observe, he has already dead body. So when you are alive Ram or alive human equal to dead body. Plus something is missing. That something make you alive. So what is that? So some energy, it is mentioned like some energy is there. I will also prove like how there can be energy or something like that, but that is inside in your body. So that is said, that missing thing that make that dead body alive is called soul. But people also observe one more thing. Still a lot of peoples are alive, but they can't understand ki, like who are you, even though they are not able to understand by himself who are he or she, in this case Ram. So first dead body, second is the energy that make alive that body. That name was given soul. Okay, what is the structure of the soul, what is the structure of body, that is another thing. Just I am going very high level. Third thing came consciousness. Because of the consciousness you feel you are. If you have a low consciousness during dream or other thing or sleeping, you even though don't know who are you. So in human way there are three major things: live Ram equal to dead body of Ram plus soul plus consciousness. Might be some fourth factor also available, but that is still not, you can say, realized by human. So I hope now you can understand about the human. Energy, what is this soul is mentioned, still you can't see, even though still you can't capture. Might be tomorrow if some instrument has come by science and technology, if it will come, might be obviously it is some kind of energy. So your body, dead body is also matter. Matter is also can convert into the energy. So here energy or matter is both are interchangeable. If I am saying, I'm not saying Einstein principle like E equal to mc square. So energy can also change in mass, mass can also change into the energy. So mass, body is your one kind of a matter or mass. Soul is also one kind of energy. And consciousness happen in your brain. Some reaction, something is happened. So that is just one kind of a reaction in this mass, matter and energy. So ultimately human, alive human is also made by dead particles or dead mass, or you can say energy, but their combination make them a live human. So I hope now you can understand about the human. First try to understand about the human, even though you are not able to understand about the human, and then try to understand about the God. And that's why unnecessary comment, unnecessary because every human try to think he is very excellent, but ask question from yourself. How many hours, how many minutes you went in deep concentrate mind and you try to think yourself, you have done the analysis, not like just some bookish knowledge, just try to put comment on that. Try to think yourself prior to commenting anything. Thanks for watching my video.